Menteri Rangba Agajalla Konrad Ki Sangma Habakran Halo Jingïashah Yap Ki Donkti Duyong Na Jing Bethai Bom Dynamite Ke Belaja Thangsko East Chandia Hills District Ak Step Santrik Rumpang Ajapun Rio Long Bay Donkti Be-Aiñ Annam Don Satya Ke Jingïashah Long Bakat Kum Ki Kaifat Bu Yo Ki Don Khat Prangut Ki Bayap Ak Te Jingïashah But Benrap Bagi Bor Pulit Lem Ki Dikhat Naik SDRF But NDRF Ru Kila Don Te Chaka Ban Penlong Ke Chingpej Benia Hadin Kani Ki Bor Pulit Ke East Chandia Hills Lengbau Bikash Kumar IPS SP Kila Phah Ka Kyrwoh Jing Betep Alor Te Jingïashah But Ong Baki Pulit Kila Le Ik Somutu FAR Ha Cleariat Police Station Hashwa Kani Menteri Rangba Ulat Ho Haki Page Rinsan Social Media Chung U Ban Penpau Ka Jing Sngewlem Shiki Be-Aiñ Chung Ki Balaklat No Long Baka Dei Jingïashah Ka Basumsi Ak Te Kram Doyong East Chandia Hills But Benrap Baka Jing Sngewlem Ka Lech Shiki Be-Aiñ Chung Ki Balaklat No Na Ka Dei Jingïashah Ka Basniu Bok Shujau La Ong Baka Sarkar Jala Kala Phah Penlong Jing Toket Halor Ka Jingïashah But Enle Kat Kum Ki Kendon Aiñ Ya Ki Donkti Kan Om Dan Jing Pen Halor Ka Jing Shngai Ka Jing Embryo La Ong Menteri Rangba Bala Penkut Baka Jala Ka Yang Teli Ban Sngewlem Shaki Bala Shakta.
Today we had a very tragic incident that took place in East Chandia Hills, where a dynamite explosion had occurred at an illegal coal mine in Ngut Thangsko area in East Chandia Hills. This happened today at around 11 a.m. As per the current reports, about 18 people are reported dead because of this blast. One person is injured and has been shifted to the Shillong Civil Hospital. One SDRF team and several personnels from NDRF are already at the site. Our police department also is at the site, including IG of the Eastern Zone is already there. At the same time, officials from the mining department are also there, and of course the local administration. This incident has happened in a interior location. It's about 25 kilometers from the headquarter. It takes about approximately 3 hours to reach from the headquarter. Very difficult terrain, and it can be only accessed by 4x4 wheel. From the government side, we have asked two of our cabinet ministers, Mr. Lakmen Rumbui and Mr. Vailat Mikishela, to go to the district as well as to work their way and reach the site, meet the officials and have a detailed discussion and meeting, and take necessary action which has to be taken. And at the same time, Deputy Chief Minister and myself have been in touch with the district administration, with the departments, with the police, and we have instructed the police to take full action against those who are responsible for whatever has happened today. You are aware that in the state we have already started the process of scientific mining, and at the same time individuals who are involved in any kind of illegal activities, number one, action will be taken. As I said, whoever is responsible for this particular incident, very, very strict action will be taken. We will not let anybody who's involved in this let go. But at the same time, as I said, that with the starting of scientific mining, it is expected that all our miners will apply for the mining. Now the option is there. These are things that cannot be tolerated anymore. So therefore, we will take action against all those who are involved, and at the same time urge all who are involved in any kind of mining activity that scientific mining is now open, and they should not, I repeat, they should not engage in any more of any kind of illegal activities which endangers life. We are waiting for further report that comes in, and based on that I will be in regular touch with the press. I will regularly inform you. I will update you about the information myself, but this is the information that we have as of now.
habatin pej bahagi kishap ke sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki mar bam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.